Hello, esteemed listeners. I am Farah Helou, licensed nutritionist at M42. I work closely with individuals using a science-based approach to provide personalized lifestyle recommendations that will help them optimize their health and well-being. Welcome to the tutorial of the Emirate Genome Program Wellness and Lifestyle Genomic Report, where we will learn more about the personalized reports that will be available to Emirate Genome Program participants. The aim of this tutorial is to provide you with the knowledge and tools needed to better understand the information included in the report. The Emirate Genome Program is an ambitious national study that aims to draw a comprehensive genetic map for UAE citizens to accelerate the development of advanced preventive and personalized healthcare solutions for the nation's present and future generations. As the program expands nationwide, we are excited to launch a personalized wellness and lifestyle genomic report for all participants, which will be available on the Sahetna app. Our genes carry important information, but they do not completely define our future. The choices we make in our daily lives, like healthy eating and exercising, can significantly impact how these genes function and therefore our overall health. It is important to note that genome sequencing and analysis go beyond wellness, covering various health aspects. Participation in the Emirate Genome Program is not limited to wellness alone. On the Sahetna app, participants gain access to comprehensive personalized reports in Arabic and English, providing a deeper understanding of their unique genomic profile. Now, I shall provide an overview of the personalized wellness and lifestyle genomic report that highlights an individual's genomic profile, which in turn will help them analyze and utilize the information in their daily life. The Wellness and Lifestyle Genomic Report consists of 4 main categories, including nutrition, fitness, allergy and sensitivity, and beauty. The nutrition and fitness categories cover 20 traits each, whereas the allergy and sensitivity, as well as the beauty categories, cover 14 traits each. A trait is a distinguishing characteristic of an individual. It is not a disease. Traits can be influenced by 3 factors, including genetics, lifestyle, and the external environment. In this report, traits are represented in 2 colors, green and red. Green indicates an advantageous trait, which is beneficial, whereas red indicates a disadvantageous trait, one that can increase risk. The percentile score is indicated on the pages listing the traits and recommendations. Percentile scores rank the position of an individual by indicating what percent of the reference population the individual would equal or exceed. For example, if a disadvantageous trait indicates 65%, then this means that your predisposition risk score is higher than 65% of the reference population. Trait classification as low, moderate, or high may differ from one trait to another based on scientific evidence available for that particular trait. A high label for an advantageous trait means you are at a better advantage for that trait compared to the reference population. On the other hand, a high label for a disadvantageous trait means you have a greater risk for that trait compared to the reference population. Please note that for each wellness and lifestyle genomic report, only traits with the highest scoring percentile will be provided, including additional information and recommendations to better guide the EGP participant. Therefore, while all reports will display label classifications for the full list of 68 traits, each report will be unique in terms of the additional information it provides in order to personalize it for each individual. The first section of the report is nutrition. Nutrition is a key component of preventive health. Consuming an adequate intake of macronutrients like protein and healthy fats, as well as micronutrients including vitamins and minerals, is necessary to ensure optimal health and well-being. This section focuses on your genetic response to processing key nutrients like vitamin B, vitamin D, magnesium and iron, among others. Furthermore, traits and recommendations relevant to weight are also included. The second section of the report covers fitness. While exercise benefits everyone, different types of exercise may be more suited for certain individuals, which in turn can help personalize fitness plans in addition to developing targeted training and injury prevention strategies. This section uncovers genomic information and recommendations that may influence athletic performance, liability for injury, and capacity for repair and recovery. The third section of the report covers allergy and sensitivity. Allergy and sensitivity may present at different times during a person's life. In most cases, there is a strong genetic component underlying these allergies and sensitivities. This section identifies genomic traits and recommendations regarding food and environmental allergies and sensitivities that you may be at risk of. The fourth and last section of the report covers beauty. This section highlights genomic traits and recommendations relevant to skin sensitivities and some skin conditions such as acne, pigmentation, and skin inflammation. In conclusion, the EGP Wellness and Lifestyle Genomic Report emphasizes 4 categories, including nutrition, fitness, allergy and sensitivity, and beauty. Advantageous traits as well as disadvantageous traits are highlighted. Additional information, including trait descriptions and personalized recommendations, are provided for a select number of traits to empower individuals with the knowledge that can improve their daily lifestyle habits and promote optimal well-being. Now that we have reviewed the EGP Wellness and Lifestyle Genomic Report in more detail, you may have a few questions. To further support you, I welcome Dr. Azza Atiyah, Head of Clinical Genomics at M42. Dr. Azza, can recommendations in the Wellness and Lifestyle Genomic Report replace medical advice?
No, Farah, they cannot. EGP Wellness and Lifestyle Genomic Report serve only as a guide that provides suggested changes to your lifestyle, nutrition, and fitness based on your genetic predisposition toward selected health trait. The information doesn't constitute medical advice and must not be taken as an alternative for a consultation with a licensed healthcare professional. It is not intended to diagnose condition nor to prescribe the use of any remedy, diet, or lifestyle practice. For any health concerns, it is recommended to seek advice from a licensed healthcare professional.
How accurate is the information in the EGP Wellness and Lifestyle Genomic Report?
The analysis of the report is derived from a whole genome sequencing for individual samples, which is then compared against a reference standard derived from the reference population, so it's quite accurate report.
Dr. Azza, how can the information included in the report help the EGP participant improve their health and well-being?
The recommendations provided are based on your unique genome analysis, and the results will help you gain key insights into your nutrition, fitness, allergy, and sensitivity, as well as beauty, in order to make better lifestyle choices that promote health and longevity.
In the report, there are some disadvantageous traits. What do we mean by these?
It doesn't mean that you will necessarily develop all of these traits. Instead, it provides you a valuable insight, allowing you to adjust your environment and lifestyle choices to reduce the risk of these traits manifesting.
Does the EGP Wellness and Lifestyle Genomic Report cover genetic diseases such as thalassemia?
No, it doesn't cover genetic diseases. If you have a family history of such disease, then please discuss with your healthcare professional in order to undergo a clinical genetic test to reveal your susceptibility for such genetic diseases.
We hope this tutorial on the EGP Wellness and Lifestyle Genomic Report was useful. If you have any questions, please contact the Sahatna support team on 02-404-5550 or email sahatna@doh.gov.ae.